Driving into the realm of automation for coolant operations is like upgrading from a manual scooter to a turbocharged rocket ship. All right, let's break it down like a pro. Picture this. You've got your CNC machine doing its thing, precision cutting and grinding, but all that action generates enough heat to make a dragon sweat. Think of the s'mores you can make. And that's when the coolant sweeps in, like a cooling superhero on a mission. So think about it. When your car's engine is running hot, you don't pour lemonade on it. You go for that trusty coolant. But if you're managing the coolant manually, well, that's like trying to juggle flaming bowling pins while riding a unicycle on a tightrope. Not going to end well. It's a recipe for issues galore. You might end up with way too much coolant or barely enough. And hitting the right sumps at the right times, well, that's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. All of these hiccups can lead to messed up workpieces and tools that throw in the towel sooner than a tired toddler. Now, let's spice things up with a dash of automation. Automation makes it happen. Imagine your coolant operations being conducted by a system that's basically the maestro of coolness.
Maestro of coolness.
Maestro of coolness. It knows precisely how much coolant to unleash, what machine needs it, and when precisely to do it. The transformation is like switching from a finger painting artist to a high-tech Leonardo da Vinci. We're talking accuracy that can turn out a product smoother than a jazz sax solo. This automation doesn't just do its job. It's like a wise old sage that knows the hidden secrets of the CNC universe. It collects data, keeps tabs on the machine's well-being, and lets you know if something's about to hit the fan. Before you know it, we're troubleshooting tiny hiccups instead of wrestling with giant wallet-emptying problems. I can practically hear you saying, all right, automation might be the coolest thing since sliced bread. And you're right. But it can't be cheap, right? True, setting up automation systems has its price tag, but listen up, it's an investment. Less goof-ups mean less time wasted and fewer materials sent to the scrap heap. Regular machine checkups mean fewer surprise vacations when the machine decides to throw a temper tantrum. And that, my friend, equals saving those precious greens in the long run. And let's give a round of applause to safety. With automation, we're keeping our hands clean. Literally, I don't have to touch the coolant and irritate my skin anymore. Throwing automation into the mix for CNC coolant operations is like adding a turbo boost to our work. It's like having a loyal sidekick that makes our job smoother, safer, and more productive than ever before. What's not absolutely positively head over heels to love